How to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set your WhatsApp profile picture without losing any quality, so let's jump right in. You might have noticed after setting your profile picture on WhatsApp, it often ends up looking pixelated or blurry. This can be really frustrating, especially if you want to use a high quality image. Why does this happen? It's because WhatsApp automatically compresses the photo when you upload it, which leads to quality loss. Today, I'll walk you through a few simple tips to make sure your photo stays sharp and clear. Now, tip 1 is to start with a high resolution image. The better the original quality, the less noticeable the loss of quality will be after compression. Avoid using low resolution images, especially those downloaded from the internet or taken with a low quality camera. These photos will turn out blurry when compressed. Next, what you need to make sure is resize the image to WhatsApp ideal dimensions. WhatsApp recommends profile pictures to be 640 by 640 pixels. If a photo is larger, resize it to avoid unnecessary compression. Adjustments before uploading: play around with the sharpness, contrast, and saturation to enhance the photo before uploading it. This helps the photo retain more detail after it's compressed by WhatsApp. Now, let's upload the photo. Open WhatsApp. Simply go to your profile and tap on the profile picture to change it. Select edit or simply tap on it. Click on edit and simply click on choose photo. Now select the image that you just resized from your gallery and make sure to adjust the positioning in the crop box. Once you're happy with how it looks, tap OK, and that's it. You can see profile picture is now crisp and clear. No more blurry pixelated images.